Welcome to Gelous Nail Art Tutorials. Today I will show you how to create this cute polka dot set. Let's get into it. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of pink rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. If you're using builder gel, apply 2 to 3 thin coats and cap the free edge, curing for 60 seconds after each coat. For longer nails or added strength, you can build an apex, which helps support the structure of your nail and reduce the chance of breakage. Cure for 60 seconds. To do this, apply a thin slip layer of builder gel, cap the free edge and leave it uncured. This helps guide the next layer into place. Apply a small bead of builder gel near the base of your nail and slowly push it towards your cuticle area, ensuring it does not touch the skin. Guide the builder gel from side to side using less product with each pass and pulling slightly toward the free edge. This helps create a smooth, even curve with the bulk concentrated in the center. Using a thin nail art brush, lightly pull some builder gel up the nail to help even out the application. Ensure there's an apex around the center of your nail. If needed, tip your nail upside down briefly to help the builder gel self-level into a natural shape. If the tip looks bulky, pull some builder gel back towards the center. Cure for 99 seconds. If your builder gel needs some refinements, apply gel nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Use the 180 grit side of the nail file to refine any uneven areas or bulk. Use the same side of the nail file to gently refine the shape of your nails. Dust your nail with a dust brush, then apply gel nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 2 thin coats of Candy Shop, curing after each coat. You can use your thin nail art brush to tidy any areas needed or getting closer to your cuticles. Cure for 60 seconds. Using red sass and the smaller end of your dotting tool, paint one dot just below the tip of your nail, then add evenly spaced dots over the rest of your nail. Cure for 10 seconds. Paint 1 to 2 thin coats of French Kiss, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Using Candy Shop, apply a thin coat to the top of your silicone nail stamper. Gently press it into the tip of your nail and move it side to side to create a French tip. Using your thin nail art brush, tidy any areas needed before curing. Cure for 60 seconds. Using red sass and the smaller end of your dotting tool, paint one dot just below the tip of your nail, then add evenly spaced dots over the rest of your French tip. Cure for 10 seconds. Using red sass and your thin nail art brush, paint a line under your French tip. Cure for 10 seconds. Using your dotting tool, apply a small dot of nail art glue on each dot where you want a red rhinestone, leaving it uncured. Without cleaning your dotting tool, press it onto the top of a red rhinestone to pick it up, then place the rhinestone onto the glued spot. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin layer of top coat, carefully brushing around the rhinestones, and finish by capping the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous Cuticle Oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize. If pink is not for you, switch up the colors to create many fun combos. Thanks for watching!